Do you know that feeling? You want to create high converting video ads for Facebook ads or Instagram or YouTube for your e-commerce store, but you don't really know how to do that. So one option would be to ask someone to shoot the video, edit it and everything, but it's very expensive. The second one is to kind of learn it by yourself and pay for quite an expensive program and then edit all these videos one by one, which is normally pretty time consuming. So in this video, I want to give you an alternative. I want to show you a really cool tool that I use on a regular basis since over half a year now that lets me create video ads at scale. So I don't need much time for each and every video ad, normally just a couple of minutes up to 10 to 15 minutes. And I want to show you how this tool works, how you can use it for yourself, and why I believe that it's a good idea and a good tiny investment in your business to use that tool. So let's jump to the computer and get started. Alright guys, so here you're looking at the tool now and it's called Clipman. Now I've been using that for about half a year now already. You see that I'm a platinum Clipman user, and I believe it's one of the best tools when it comes to creating video ads for Facebook very quickly, also for other platforms, like not only Facebook, also YouTube or Instagram, etc., etc. So the way it works is right now at this point in time, when I started, they didn't have this feature, but right now you can either use a product page and convert it to a video with, adding some text overlays, etc. So you can customize a lot of things, or you browse video templates. So you can set up a template, then you add some pictures, you add some videos, etc., and build your video ad. So both of these options are pretty good. In this video, I want to show you from step by step how you can build such a video ad with Clipman. And if you want to check it out by yourself, make sure that you check the link in the description, because right now they have a limited time offer where they offer the whole app for, I believe, $60 or $50 one-time payment for life. Normally it costs $40 per month. So this is definitely an offer that you should get 100%. So this being said, let's jump to product page to video, because I want to show you how you can transform a product page to a video file. So you can see here, you should enter your website URL, and down here there are some examples already. So use these example links instead. We have Amazon Echo, ASOS, Activewear, eBay TV. Let's actually check, and let me demonstrate you how it looks like when we use the Amazon Echo product and add it to Clipman. So after it processed this whole thing, which can sometimes take a while, and sometimes there are some errors, so you have to refresh. But in general, since you don't probably use that 10 times a day, this app here, I believe that it's still a really, really good value, a lot of good value that you get for your money. So now it's scanning through the page, and I assume it's getting the pictures and videos from the landing page. And once it's done, we can edit the different pictures. We can put it into a template. We can add our custom text. So you see here already, we should pick a template first. And there are all kind of templates. Many of them are actually for an additional library where you have to pay a separate template gallery. But many of them, and in fact many useful ones, are entirely included in the basic version of Clipman. So this being said, you can now choose whether you want to sell products on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube, and based on your choice, it will present you a different set of templates. So let's actually choose sell products on Facebook and go with something. Well, let's go with this one here because it's a pretty similar product, and hit continue. So you see here on the right are the pictures or the videos that not Amazon but Clipman collected from the landing page. And now what you do is you choose the first, or you choose the first media that you want to integrate in the first part of the video ad. So I want this, nice background image here. I want another one, and I want the product without anything else, so just the white background. And here you can add the first headline and the price. So let's say we sell it. Let's just make up random things here for $39, and we call it. Or let's just stick with Amazon Echo Black First Generation. When you sell your products here, what you should keep in mind is don't add this super long manufacturing title, or probably the SEO optimized title that you have in your store. Go with something very easy to understand. It should sound kind of cool. It should sound kind of, that people want to actually have and buy this product. So don't have these super long names here that no one really wants to read, with a lot of different numbers, etc. So Amazon Echo Black First Generation, price, let's just say $39, and hit continue. So now we have the call to action scene. This scene doesn't have any background media, and here the CTA might be buy now limited edition, right? Buy now limited edition. You could also say limited time discount, something like that. I'm not a big fan of always saying everything is like limited and everything is on discount. But the point is, if you really introduce a new product, that is definitely a good way to bring it to market and see what people think. And now let's just come up with a random URL like here. Actually, we don't even have to type in the URL. We can just keep it like this. Then we continue, and now we add our music. And let me turn up the music a little bit here. So you see, they have tons and tons of music files if we scroll down here. So if we go to all music, they have all kind of stuff. So literally, I think hundreds of different video files that you can choose from. And when you hover over them, you can see, or better hear, what they sound like. So if we go over this, let's see whether we find something that sounds good. Okay, I don't want something that's like super mystic. Let's just go with that one. I mean, if you sell your product, of course, you spend a little more time on that. But this like sounds a little happy. It sounds a little cheering, and it somewhat fits like a typical ad music if you want. So let's hit continue here as well. And now we can select the colors for the video. So this is the text color, this is the text background color, and this is the video background and other elements color. So what we want to do, first of all, you can also like add a logo on top of that. I'm not sure whether this is actually mandatory. I'm not sure right now. Let's just create the video and see what we get. So normally this now takes a while because, you know, Clipman is putting together all those different files, all those images, all those videos. And you see here that I've created some videos in the past, even though I regularly delete my stuff. So some of the videos you can see here are from like March 2018. So just a little more than half a year ago. We can have a look at this electric cocktail shaker video, for example, that I've created. Super basic. But it was also a very quick test for that product. Of course, let's do this a little slower here. Of course, Clipman is not like replacing a full-scale video shooting team or a video editing team where you can come up with something super unique, right? So Clipman cannot create like a Hollywood ad for your Facebook ads that will go super viral, most likely, depending on the product in the end. But the point is, it's extremely cheap, it's extremely fast, and you can do it all by yourself in like literally minutes. So even though, you know, we also do own video stuff. This is a very, very useful tool that you can always use when you want to test something quickly, when you come up with something new, when you have an idea and you want to bring it to market extremely fast. This is where Clipman really excels. And actually, I realized that their rendering process got way faster now since the last time I've used it a couple of weeks ago. So it's already done. We can play it and let's see what we get. Okay, so you see here, very simple, straightforward video, just 20 seconds. The picture, the image quality, of course, if you get some from your own store, you would use really high definition pictures. These one here are a little pixelated, and probably also the initial, you know, the initial overlay is not that useful because it's right above the product. But the point is, you see that we just turned a few static images into a video with like little zoom effects, with text overlays here, with a little, you know, text animation, CTAs, etc. So since Facebook is favoring video a lot, and since video offers a lot of different, you know, possibilities like retargeting people based on their watch time, etc. I believe it's a great way to, you know, get your message out there and quickly test products and see how the response is, get some sales, etc. So yeah, this was kind of my video on Clipman. As I said, the link, if you want to try it out by yourself, is in the description. It's a very straightforward tool, and if you use this link, you get right to the page where you get the one-time offer instead of the monthly one, which will come back, I think, in a week or so. So you still have 1 week or a few days, I don't know exactly when this video will go up, to buy this Clipman version as the one-time fee. I use it myself, as I said, for over half a year. I can recommend it if you know the limits of it, like you cannot create something super exceptional, but you can create good, everyday, useful video ads for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So I hope that you like this little video. Yeah, I really wanted to show you the whole app so that you know what you can expect, especially if you probably plan to buy this already. Now you have some more ideas, like whether you should really do it or not. I hope that this video gave you some more ideas on whether this is for you. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful, and please subscribe and leave a like if it was actually helpful, and I will hopefully see you in the next video again, guys. Until then, all the best and bye-bye.